Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials Point. Today I'm going to show you how to make a group chat on Snapchat. So, if you don't know how to make a group chat on Snapchat, today I'm here to help you out on making group chat. So, if you haven't updated your app, first update the app on Play Store. Now let's get started. So first you need to open the Snapchat app. After opening the app, you can see on the bottom of your phone camera, and beside the camera on the left side there is chat option. So this is the chat option. So these all are your friends. So if you want to make a group chat, you can see on the bottom right corner there is the new message icon. The message icon, you just need to tap on it. After tapping on it, so you can see on the top of your phone that there are new chat, new call, to below of it there is new group. So you need to tap on that. You can never make group chat more than 100 friends. You can never add people more than 100 on your group. So you just need to tap on new group. After tapping on it, so you need to select people who you want to add. So let's say I have selected some people. So if you can't find one on here, you can just tap your friend name also. So there's two ways, just tap or type your friend name to add the friend on your group chat. So chat to the group, so you just need to click on this. So you have just created the group, and the chat are also deleted by default after 24 hours. You can also name the group. On the top of the phone you can see the edit button, or you can just click on it. So let's say the name of the group is tap. So yes, you have just created the group on Snapchat successfully. So thank you very much. If you find this video helpful, please like and share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.